So if you've been following along on our adventures, you'll know that we have just arrived in Laos after a crazy and hectic month in Vietnam. And after that month, we needed a bit of calm, a bit of relaxation, and a mini break away from our usual style of travelling. And we have come to the perfect place. We have just checked into Nam Pien Yorla Pa, a resort completely surrounded by nature and full of adventure and activities. But before we dive into that, I just cannot wait to show you where we're going to be staying for the next few nights. Now just look at this room. We're staying in the villa suite here and it is absolutely stunning. We have a full big living area here with glass windows the whole way around, so you can just sit here on these really comfy sofas and take in the views. And then we have a full kitchen area over here, our mini bar, these beautiful wine glasses, and then to top it all off we have a dining area over here. And just look at the detail in these chairs, and they are super comfy as well. Come on outside. We have got this beautiful big balcony, another sitting area, and then a barbecue area over here, and you can just enjoy the sound of the river going by. It is honestly beautiful. But wait till you see the best part. Go on. This stunning big bedroom, another sofa which is so comfy, and this big bed. It is so comfortable, again surrounded by big windows. It is so bright, so beautiful in here, so I cannot wait to wake up in the morning and just take it all in. But this is the best part by far. A 2-person jacuzzi bath. Just look at this. And you are completely surrounded by nature, so private, so I cannot wait to get into this later on. We also have a his and hers sinks, which are absolutely gorgeous, a rainfall shower, and it honestly is just so beautiful. As much as I want to get into that bath right now, we actually have an afternoon tea coming very soon, so we're just gonna have to wait.
Okay, so this is just like a pure pinch me moment. 2 of the staff here at the resort just brought down our afternoon tea and it looks absolutely amazing. They bring it the whole way to your room as well, which is just a great wee touch, because the room we're staying in is actually quite far away from the reception area. There's a beautiful big walkway the whole way through all the trees and all the forest here to get to each individual room. But I'm hungry, so we're going to get stuck into our tea now.
The afternoon tea here has been so lovely, and when you book the villa suite here, you actually get a complimentary afternoon tea every day with your stay, which is such a good bonus. I have one thing left. I think we've got some salmon. It looks really tasty, so I'm gonna have a wee go with this. It's like a real creamy sauce on it. Oh, it's so nice, so fresh. Just want more. Now that we have finished up our tea, there is one thing that we want to do, and we cannot wait. We're gonna go and get into the jacuzzi. Yay!
Okay, so this is just absolutely amazing. The 2-person jacuzzi here, completely surrounded by nature.
So amazing. What more could you ask for? It's a brilliant way to spend the evening, so I think we're going to put the camera away and just enjoy it.
Yeah, just the 2 of us for the rest of the evening, and then tomorrow morning we will pick this up again at breakfast in the restaurant, so we'll see you then.
Bye!
Good morning. We are up bright and early and heading for breakfast now in the restaurant, but we had the most relaxing and beautiful night last night. One other main reason we wanted to come here was because there's loads of activities to do here. There's like a full activity centre basically going on, and today we're going to try to do as many of them as possible. So we are buzzing for the day, but let's go get a wee bit of food first.
and breakfast has been served. We just got a huge spread of food down to us. We got a really nice selection of fruit, some pastries, sandwiches, and we're still waiting on some noodles as well. So what a way to start the day. I cannot wait to get stuck into this.
Okay, we are stuffed now. Breakfast was absolutely gorgeous. We had so much food and we just couldn't finish it all, so we're going to take some of the pastries and the fruits back to the room for later. But the restaurant here is so nice as well. There's loads of big beautiful seating areas, lovely jazz music playing in the background, and the menu they have here is wicked as well. You can get Japanese, European, you can get local food, anything you want. It is so nice. And they also just brought us down some freshly squeezed orange juice just as we were about to leave, so a lovely wee touch as well. But we're going to make a wee quick run back to the room now, get ourselves sorted out for the day of activities that we have ahead, so we'll see you there. Cheers.
Okay, so it is finally activity time. I am so excited. We have to go and get ourselves harnessed up because we are doing some zip lining and a high ropes course this morning. But before we get there, we have to jump in the back of a pickup because the activities are like a 4-kilometer drive away from the accommodation, but through a lovely like forest area. So I'm really excited to go and get started. Suited and booted. So we have just arrived to the Treetops high rope course here.
We are straight in with a bit of rock climbing, and I cannot wait if the rest of it goes like this. This is going to be wicked today.
You'll be a tightrope walker yet.
Oh, you made this look easy.
Way!
Smashing it.
Way!
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
This is absolutely wicked so far. The course is so much fun. There's so much to like concentrate on, so we're not even noticing how high up we actually are. So up next we've got a bicycle. We're gonna be cycling along a like tightrope kind of thing. This is mad.
Are you ready?
Okay, I think so.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh!
You're going so fast! Probably the coolest cycle we have ever done.
I've seen them so many times in like different places. We've been these like cycle things over these like mad tightropes really up high, and we've never done it, and I always wanted to do it. That was wicked. I'm so excited. We have a cool big like rope bridge thing to go down now, so this is so much fun.
And we have a bit of a waterfall and a river underneath us, so this is just class.
Let's go. You having fun?
Oh, I'm having so much fun. This is so good. What a start to the day. Whoa, that was so wobbly. Okay, we're almost off. Woo! Go on, Eoin.
Hey! We made it!
So we are all finished up with the Treetops course, and it was so good, but it is all go today. We are going straight into ziplining now, so let's go.
Okay, we are at our first zip line now. We have a total of 7 zip lines to do. They look pretty high and I am buzzing to do them. I'm a wee bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
See you on the other side.
Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Ready, go!
Go!
Okay.
3,
3,
2,
2, 1,
1,
go!
Go on!
That was so much fun!
This one's massive. Okay. This is just the best day ever.
Just look at our surroundings right now. It's so beautiful.
So beautiful. Waterfall.
Look, waterfalls over there. Oh my days. And we're just zipping through the middle of it. Let's go. Woo! Okay, so we have just arrived to our final zip line of the day, number 7, and I cannot wait for this one. It is straight through the trees behind us and it looks so long. Let's go!
Okay. Oh, that's amazing. amazing. Thank you so much. That was like the biggest zip line I've ever done in my life. That was so good. So high up as well. Oh wow, I've got a full buzz going on, and here's Aisling coming now, I can hear her coming. And if you're wondering how we're getting like these mad shots of us going down the zip line, this is also Mr. Lawn, one of our guides, and he's been like following us in the zip line and taking videos of us. It's been amazing. The staff here has been so good, the activities have been great. I'm just on a pure buzz.
Oh my god, that was insane!
Hey!
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, come try. So we have just finished up ziplining and it was so much fun, and now we have a little bit of free time before our next activity, so we thought we'd come and have a little dip in the pool. Okay, so as nice as this has been, it is time to go and get ready for our next activity.
Okay, so this next activity we are absolutely buzzing for. It's called Lug, and basically what it is like real life Mario Kart. It's like we like kind of go-kart kind of looking things that you like race down a wee like track. It looks so much fun. We are buzzing, so let's go.
Go on.
I go for the
We have our
You ready?
ready to go.
Let's go. Woo! Oh, there's obstacles! Wow, you can pick up some speed, can't you? This is the coolest one! Hey! Ah, that's loads of fun! Yeah, that was really good.
Very good. That was literally so much fun. I was living my Super Mario fantasy, but we are going straight into another activity. We're actually going ATV riding now, so I am buzzing.
Oh wow, I actually can't believe what just happened. That ATV was so much fun. The wee Mario kind of kart things were absolutely wicked too. And there's so many activities on offer here. They actually do 7 different activities. We have only done 4 of them so far. So I think we're doing another one this evening. I'm going to squeeze in another one. But what a spot. Honestly, it has been amazing.
So we are just walking around the resort here and we are falling more and more in love with it. We're checking out some of the other rooms that they have available as well, and you can check them all out on their website. They are so beautiful, but we will make sure to leave a link for this place down in the description below. So this is our last activity of the day and I am so excited. We are back up in the treetops and we're doing a thing called a roller, which is quite similar to a zip line. So I'll see you later.
Whoa! Ready? Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, hey! Whoa! Woo! Oh my god! Oh wow! Oh my god, that's amazing!
Wow, that was absolutely ridiculous. That was so much fun. It went so fast as well. Way better than what we thought it was going to be, but it was quite a short ride. You're on for like a few minutes, but it was absolutely wicked. We've enjoyed that so much. And I think this might even be my favourite activity we've done all day.
We have decided to come over to the restaurant and treat ourselves to a little bit of a date night, and we've ordered ourselves some duck steaks with all the trimmings, and wait till you see what has just come down to us. This looks absolutely incredible. We have duck, we have vegetables, fries, and the nicest sauce. It has been so long since we have treated ourselves, so I'm just so happy right now.
And of course we had to get a beer Lao as well to go with our dinner. This is the local beer here and it is slowly becoming one of my favourite beers I've found since travelling. It is so good, so I'm just going to tuck straight into this. I can't wait, it looks amazing, so cheers.
shake it.
Okay, so that is us back into the room now after the most beautiful and amazing dinner. The food was just
So good. We
Top
had the
quality.
duck steaks and oh, they were so tasty. If you're
Yeah.
coming here, you
Get the
have
duck.
to try the duck.
Yeah.
It's so good.
honestly, this past few days here have been just absolutely amazing. We can't even like put into words how good it has been. The staff, the food, the activities, and the accommodation. It's all just been a complete 10 out of 10. We cannot believe it.
If you're looking for luxury in Laos, look no further
This is
than
the
Nam
place.
Pien Yorla Pa. We have had the best time here, and thank you so much again for hosting us this past few days.
Yeah.
We really do appreciate it.
We massively appreciate it so much, and we know that this is obviously like a long stretch from our usual kind of budget backpacker style of travel, but every now and again you need to treat yourself, you need to go for a wee bit of luxury, and especially for us coming from Vietnam and the mayhem and the chaos that we've come from, we needed just a place to kind of chill out, re-energize, somewhere in nature, away from everything, and this has been the perfect place. If you're coming for luxury, it's here. If you're coming looking for activities, this is also the place. It has just been absolutely wicked. We have enjoyed our time here so much and would highly recommend it. We'll make sure to leave the link for their website and for their Facebook down below in our description. You can check out their different accommodation and activity packages, and yeah, it has just been unbelievable.
What a
So
way
good.
to start our time here in Laos.
Yeah.
We are so excited for the next few weeks that we have ahead of us.
Yeah.
We have so much planned, and I just can't wait.
So if you want to see more content from Laos and the rest of our travels throughout the rest of the world, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, we would love it if you hit the like button as well, and hopefully we will see you again and you'll join us for another video. See you later,
ya.
lads. Bye.